Back again. Tonight it's Wednesday, September something, 27th, 28th. And what I'm going to do tonight is, if you look at this water meter, the way he supported this end of it is on this block of wood. And sooner or later, that block of wood is going to fall away or get kicked over or rot away or something, and then there's no support on those pipes all the way from back there all the way over to here. This is held up through the hole in the floor joist. But what I'm going to do is put a couple blocks of wood in up through here, and then use some threaded rod going down to some clamps that'll go around here and over there. So that'll support that end. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these elbows out, this one and that one. I'm going to put a T here, and on this end of the T there will be it's called a drain cock. You can hook your hose onto it and turn the valve quarter turn, and you could either have water here, or what'll be even more important is, like for the winter time on the first floor apartment, and there's not going to be anybody here for a while, most likely, then what we'll want to do is winterize that apartment. And what that's going to be is shutting the water off, putting a hose on, it'll be the down, putting a hose on here, opening that valve and running a hose over to the sump pump, and then going to the upstairs and opening taps and everything to let the water all drain down to here. And also I'll put I'm going to put a couple of valves up here, one here and one here, that'll be similar to those down there. But what they'll be able to do, what they'll do is they'll shut off the water going to the rest of the house in case there's anything that needs to be, any work that needs to be done on either water meter. They could shut this valve and this valve, and that whole thing, the whole water meter, will be isolated. And for the downstairs, what I'm also going to do is put a T in and another valve, and what that valve will go to is, probably not tonight, but maybe tomorrow night, the hose bib that, in my opinion, should have been connected back up, unless you had some agreement with Fred Wilson. What I'm going to be doing is putting a hose bib connection back in there. So that's what I'll do tonight, and I'll take a picture when it's done. Goodbye.